Hindi ako nag-resign. Pag sinabi mong nag-resign ka, parang may tinatakbuhan ka. Na magandang pakinggan yung for delicadeza, ang ganda. Pero hindi totoo yung nag-resign ako. No, that's, you ask them kung bakit nila without consulting me. The messaging should be clear. You ask them if they had a letter. I felt bad somehow, no? But I am not going to waste time worrying about the nuance or the way they did it, because maybe they were also under instruction or given the impression na mayroon akong resignation. I cannot blame them for that. Although itinanggap na yung resignation ko na sinasabi, napalitan na ako, I considered myself at that time still responsible on holdover but no longer with the authority to execute any official act. May disappointment but hindi sama ng loob yun eh. Because, you know, you do not expect na you can be out of the office so quickly. The exercise of the prerogative, but I am aware of the nature of serving at the pleasure of the President. Kung meron bang mga tao na gusto akong i-implicate dyan, itigil nyo na yan, i-demanda nyo na lang ako para sagutin ko ng tama. Kasi right now, puro innuendo, puro mga pasaring. If ever they want to charge me as the mastermind, whatever case they want to file, they file it. Si Adrian, undersecretary sa office ko, he is also the PLLO. But whatever they say about what he did, you ask him, maybe he will know, he will give you the answer. Pero wag niyo akong tanungin kung tungkol sa kanya, may tama, may mali. Alam ko kung anong tama, but I will not tell that to you yet. Senator Lacson has the evidence. Well, we will respect his declaration there. Pero sa tingin ko lang, sa mga kwento ni Saldico at saka ni Bernardo, hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin na naniniwala ko agad. But as far as I know, Adrian and the others are not that into this na sila lang ang gumagawa. Huwag din niyo sabihin na ako ang mastermind.